Well, this morning, let's see, we got Blackjack. Over here's Lexter. Of course, here's Baxter and Pepper. Brown puppy's somewhere around here, and I saw Tiny a little while ago. But, I'm just really. I know there's a lot of consternation and worry about AI for good reason. But at the same time, for me, this is like a dream come true. I mean, I've always loved going to the library since I was a kid. I was just always at the library. I'd rather be at the library than be out at recess. And so then the internet came along, and it was like, wow. It's like the entire sum of all history of libraries came to my house. And that was pretty cool, having my turmeric tea. Well, turmeric and ginger. Anyways, and so that was awesome. And now with AI, instead of doing a Google search and reading, 5 or 6 different websites, now it's like I can have a conversation with this thing and ask it all kinds of questions I've had for years. And back in, I want to say it was around, must have been the mid 90s. I read Stephen Hawking's Brief History of Time, and I had to read it twice. And the only part that really got me confused was the string theories, which now is related to quantum physics. I was back then as well, but not as understood. And I was listening to a video last night. It was about 45 minutes long, talking about quantum computers. Just the whole, like, if you ever take, like, say for instance my finger, okay, we'll get it up against the sky, it's here, now it's here, it's a 0, it's a 1, but then you start moving really quick and it seems like the finger is in 2 places at the same time, and you magnify that out to an electron, and it's moving so fast it actually is in 2 places at the same time. And anyways, check out Schrodinger's cat and the experiments they did with electrons through the double slit, experiment. And the fact that the electrons behave differently when observed is just mind-blowing. Anyways, awesome times.